Hi guys, I am back again. Today we will be seeing this. This is basically a newspaper ad design that I made it for a live show, Superstars Night. So we'll be working on this. I'll show you how I made this. Very simple, very simply, not that much hard to think or execute. Simply, it's vision, your visualization is going to work only. Anybody can learn the software, but visualization is that comes very naturally from you or from inside you. And for that, keep on watching a lot of good ads, magazines. So you'll find a lot of ideas from there. So let's start. Let's cut the bullshit. Now let's start designing. So here's the Photoshop. I don't know which version it is, CC 2017. So I have a basic layout, I mean the page, the size for the newspaper, it's a full page ad. I have a base, yellow base because my theme is like that. And now I'll start putting the characters. So for this, I have already made the design. So I will simply open the layer and I'll show you what I have done it. So that will be more easier for you also, because I also want you people not to waste your time and just start designing. Okay. So this is my first character. I thought of placing him over here because there are some content that I need to showcase in my design. So I will put it on the right side, and then you can see that it is looking little flat. It's a cheap thing. Then I'll go for some shadows thing. Let's put up some shadows. Okay, so we'll open it. So you people must be knowing that how to make the shadows. I know it is not that proper. Already made it. I put a little bit up inside. Okay, I'm done. So somewhere it is looking good. I made the shadow. I did a little bit of blur in it. I put a little bit of blur and opacity. I have decreased to 38%, as you can see over here. So now let's move on to some more detailed work. So actually previously I was putting this shadow, but later on I didn't like it, so I'm not doing it. So I'm done with it, placing the people, and now I'll make a base for the content. Okay, because I need a real, I need the contrast in the design. I just want this box to be in the back of the character, and then here this is the shadow layer that I have put. You can see that here around his feet, so it is like looking weird. Where is he standing? So I just put it a little bit of shadows over here, and then no, we have one more character, an important character. So I'll be putting him somewhere here, okay, with a very low opacity and blending mode to multiply. So this is the image that I have used over here, and I have given the blending mode to multiply, and I have just erased this part so that this image blends with the background nicely. So this is somewhere it is looking good, hopefully. So now we'll be opening so this is the thing that I have used, but later on I refused not to use it because it was a little bad. I had these two music content because it's a musical event, so I wanted to play something related to those notes and everything. So I have these two notes at back of this, and then let's bring all the characters, all the people who are performing live. So here it is one character, here the second one, and let's bring the logo. So this is the logo that I will be placing over here, obviously, because I don't want to place it over here because this will, I don't know, it might look good to you people. It's your decision, it's your choice, but the idea is that design should not look cheap. That's it. So I've decided to just keep my text and my logo over here. And then let's open up. Putting the logo over here, Music Mantras logo. And here's the rectangle that I'll be using. So this box I have used to actually write some content in it so that it looks good. Here it is. We got the name, we got the logo, we got the people. Okay, now we are done with the basic layout, that how our ad is going to look somewhere like this, because now we have lot of space. We have lot of space to write our content over here. So now let's open up and I'll show you where I have placed the rest of the contents. Entry details down here. 1st March, date and time, stars over here, star over here, just for a little bit a look, venue, and then a little bit of confetti, you can say. I just put it for a feel over here. This is little bit, so that it should have a little bit of feeling of party and everything. And at the last, a lens flare. That's it. We are done. So this is what we are getting, the finally thing. And there are one more thing, the sponsors and everything. We will be opening social media icon and everything. This is where we have done. Now, first of all, we have to decide that where we'll be keeping the subject, I mean the artist, the images that you have. Then the image that you are placing should not look weird in design. Then you should give some shadows over here. And the rest of the characters, then the logo you'll be placing over here. And then in the background, because this part would have gone empty. So that is why I've been placing this, I have placed this over here. So now the entire design is ready for me, and after seeing this, hopefully you people will design things very easily, because you people have to just consider 2-3 things. Visualization should be very neat and very clean and decent. Okay. Second thing, good font selection. What font are you using? Third, color combination. If your logo is red, then use the colors which are complementary to red, which will look good with red, like I have used over here. And the third thing is the alignment and the layout and the placing of each and everything. It should not look very much cluttered. You should not fill up the space entirely. Okay, I have this space over here, I have a lot of space over here, it is spaceful, so people, the audience, the viewers will not get confused while seeing your designs. They will simply get what you are trying to say. That's it, you are done with it. It's not that hard, but yes, visualization is must. Right font you should choose, and a good color combination for the design. That's it. Subscribe my channel for more tutorials, not like these, but yeah, better than these, because I have a lot more designs that I have made. So I will slowly and steadily try to tell you how easy it is to make a design if you'll consider 3 things that I also follow.